Good morning, children. I'm here to tell you a new story. Would you want to hear a new story? I'm going to tell you a story about a little boy named Caillou. And what was Caillou doing? Shall we learn what was Caillou doing? Caillou was coloring his book and his mommy was singing. She opened the curtains in the kitchen and she said, "Oh wow, what a wonderful sunny day." And Caillou said, "I am going to draw a picture of a sun." And Caillou decided to draw. And he heard some noise. And what was that noise? Ears, males. It was a mailman, mommy said. Look how Caillou is sitting on the table and he's coloring, and his mommy. And then what happened? Lots of colorful envelopes fell through the mailbox, and the cat was dozing on the mails. And Caillou ran to pick up the mail and handed it to his mommy. And what happened? Mommy started opening the envelope one by one. She said, "Oh, maybe it's a letter from my friend." And she opened the envelope one by one. But it was all bills. There was no letter for her from her friends. And she sighed and she became sad. And Caillou wanted mommy to see a smile on her face. And he wanted to see his mommy happy when she got the mail. But mommy wasn't happy. Look at that. His mommy wasn't happy at all. Then, while Caillou was thinking, his dad came in the kitchen. "What's the matter, Caillou?" asked Daddy. "Mommy would like to get a letter once in a while," Caillou said. Daddy had an idea. "Caillou, why don't you send a letter to your mommy? Would you make a wonderful letter?" Look at that. Caillou and his father sitting and thinking about the letter. "We would send my picture by mail." "Absolutely. And the mailman would deliver." And Caillou thought it was a wonderful idea. "Now we need an envelope," said Daddy. Caillou jumped quickly and his picture fell off the table. "We'll need a stamp too." "You put a stamp on the letter," Daddy added. Look at that. Caillou's looking for envelopes. And then Caillou had a cat. And the cat's name was Gilbert. And you know what Gilbert did? Gilbert walked on the picture lying on the floor left and right. And his paw prints came on that picture. "Oh, Gilbert," Caillou groaned. Caillou heard Mommy coming back. And Daddy quickly gave the picture to Caillou and he hid the picture. Look at that. Caillou's cat walking all over his picture. And Caillou quickly hid the picture because he wanted to keep that a surprise for his mother. And Mommy said, "What are you two up to in the kitchen?" Caillou said, "Nothing. Nothing at all, Mommy. Nothing at all." And he giggled. See. Mommy walked in. Look at that. And then what happened? Caillou got his letters ready. And he said to his daddy, "Tomorrow we'll get up in the morning and we'll put this through our mailbox and Mommy will get the letter." So Caillou filled his envelope with the letter and he put a stamp on the letter. Look. And then next morning, Daddy woke Caillou up. Caillou, shh, get up. We have to put the letter for Mommy. Yes, and they tiptoed down the stairs. They came into the kitchen and they went to the front door. Okay, and very quietly they went out to meet the mailman. And Caillou said, "Can you give this mail to my mommy? Can you put it in the kitchen?" And he explained that this letter is from me. See? Caillou's daddy and Caillou walking up the door and Caillou is holding the letter that he made for his mummy. And mailman came and Caillou shouted, "Mama, Mama, there is a mailman and there are letters." And Mummy was so happy. Yay, finally, I get a letter. She found a letter for her and she was so excited. Who could that be? Who wrote a letter for me? She unfolded the picture. Oh, Caillou, what a wonderful surprise. She knew the letter was from her little boy. What a wonderful surprise. Your picture, very beautiful. And what have you got a sign here? See, Caillou giving the letters near the door. And what was at the bottom of the letter? What was the sign? It was Gilbert. It was Gilbert's paw on the letter. And Mommy said, "I loved it. Thank you for this wonderful letter. Thank you so much, Caillou. I'll keep this letter forever." And she gave him a nice case. And Caillou's mother put the letter on the fridge so that she can see it every day. And she said, "This is the best letter ever." Look at that. Yes, Mama kissing Caillou, and look at that letter. A nice picture for Mama, and Mama was so surprised that Caillou has written a letter for her. So children, do you want to surprise your mummy? Or do you want to surprise your daddy? Do you want to do something special for them? Well, maybe you can draw a picture quietly so that they don't know, and you can fold it and you can put it in an envelope, and then when they're sleeping, you can quietly keep the letter on the table and you can give them a nice surprise. Do you want to surprise your mama or your dada? Do you want to make a nice surprise for them? Maybe you can draw a nice picture and you can draw a nice letter. Yes, and give it. Will you do that? Will you give a nice letter for your mummy? Let's do that. Yes? I hope you enjoyed the story, children. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.